Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Nokia 3.1. This is a new device and it comes up with a 5-inch display, and it is a very nice device and it is a budget device and I like it a lot. So I got this device for you to make it a review and do an unboxing for you so that you will get an idea what we get in this device. And the special thing about this video is that first time in my channel I'm going to unbox not only one, not two, but three devices. So these are all Nokia 3.1 and all the colors that are available with this particular model. So why wait, my friends? Let's open one by one. So as you can see here, these are three devices I have got. These are all 3GB models. As you can see here, these are all three different colors that are coming with the Nokia 3.1, and I have already opened up the seals of each and every one. So this is going to be the white one, as you can see here. Let me take this out. So this is the white one of 3.1, white with silver. We will switch it on. So in the meantime, we can switch over to another phone. This is the white one. So here we go with the second one. Here is I think this is the bronze one, black with bronze. No, this is the blue one. This is the blue one, and we will open this up. Here you go, friends. Android one, and these phones come with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, and this is the last color that we have here. This is the black silver. As you can see here, it has got the nice finish to it. This is a good phone, and it's cost around 10,000 rupees, so I bought it just to show you how the phone is. So let me put this aside. Okay, I'm stacking it up. So here we go. These are the three colors. As you can see here, this is the black one, and this is the white one, and this is the blue one. So as you can see, there are slight differences to it here. The black has a silver accent to it, like the camera portion here, and the Nokia logo. So the borders of front are all silver. If you see the blue bronze, then you can check it out here. This logo of Nokia and this camera portion here, and also the surrounding metal portions are all bronze. And lastly, the white one. You can see here. What happened to it? White one, as you can see here, white one has slightly deep red to it. This is not like the bronze one. As you can see here, bronze is like totally bronze, but there's a deep maroon like texture to it. So the logo is different and the camera portion is different, so the border. But you can check it out. This is a nice touch given by the Nokia. Then this side bars are silver, but just the lip are the colors. I don't know you are able to differentiate or not on the camera, but I'm trying to show you. As here you can see here, the side is blue, but the top and bottom of the bezels are only colors. So that we get here, these are the three phones that we get with Nokia 3.1 3GB, and I have not used this that much because I got it just today only, these three phones. So later on I might make a video about it if I like the video or like the phones. And you get the pure Android here. I will show you. Let me set it up. So I have boot of all the devices and I have set up all the devices. So I found out small changes here, like the black silver has a default wallpaper different as compared to the white one. So here we get a different wallpaper here by default, and on the blue one it is same with the black one, As you can see here, this is the black and blue one, has the same wallpapers. And as you can see here, these phones have the default Android 1 program, so you get the latest Android here. This is the Android 8.1, and you get the pure Android without any carrier bloatware or any like Samsung TouchWiz or Samsung Experience. You get the latest Android here, Android 8.0, and it is going to be updated to Pi so and so to the Android 10. So you will be getting 2 years of Android update with this phone as promised by Nokia, and also you will get regular security patches to keep your phone safe. So this is quite fast. I have checked out the whole device. It is very smooth and very fast, as you can see here. Being a 3GB model, I feel that this device is very fast as compared to the flagship devices. And here you can see the storage here. This is a 32GB model. So we get by default we get around 9GB used, and rest is we are available to use for your photos and all. You do get to install micro SD here. You do get to install SIM card, so micro SD here. So we have the option to expand your storage if you like to use more storage here. And friends, I would like to suggest that if you are expanding storage in any kind of mobile devices that are manufactured after 2017 or 18, then I would suggest you to use the latest micro SD cards, because see, the old micro SD cards doesn't have the speed and capacity of transfer and so the read. So the new micro SD cards has a reading capacity of like 20 MB per second and writing capacity of around 30 MB per second. I myself use Samsung Pro micro SD card that has a capacity of writing speed of 45 Mbps and reading speed of 94 Mbps. So that's a very good card. It will be expensive, but you can go with the Samsung Evo model. Those are very nice, cheap, and they also provide good writing and reading speeds. And these writing and reading speeds matter the most, because I'm telling you this because people mostly think that the phone are becoming slow. My photos are getting deleted. It's not like that. It is because we are not using the compatible micro SD card with the latest phone. So I would suggest you friends, if you're going for any phone, not only 3.1, any phone that supports a micro SD card in this 2018, so you should go for a new micro SD card rather than using your old card. Okay, so just back up your devices and back up your devices datas, also your micro SD datas to your computer or laptop, and buy a new SD card, install it with your new phone, and you're good to go. So here is my friends, Nokia 3.1 with all 3 colors, and I found out this device is very nice. And I'll also show you the camera. Let me show you. This has a nice camera here. 1 second. I do find the camera to be a 13 megapixel at front and 8 megapixel 13 megapixel at rear and 8 megapixel at front. So as you can see here, the camera is very nice and clear to it. Let me take a picture here. So we are able to get nice picture out of here. Yes, the processing also very fast here. You can see I am zooming it in, and it's very clear here. And due to my handshakes, these are getting a bit weird. Let me take the front selfie camera. As you can see here, I'm here, and the front camera is also nice. So this is all about Nokia 3.1. If you have any questions, you can just drop out in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you out and answer it. And I do need subscribers, friends. You do subscribe my channel, and if you want any more videos like this, you can put a request in the comment section. I will try to make it out. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.